Hey guys, this is Josh from Northstrand Community Church looking at that Behringer x32. I want to show you a shortcut if let's say you've got several vocal mics here and you've dialed in actually a pretty good frequency range for your room, and you want to just kind of cut and paste that over. On your home screen, you notice that you have it lit on home, and when you hit the utility button, it brings up like a cut and paste, and so you can kind of designate what things you want to copy over and what things you don't. So we'll do like a test one real quick. I've got, we have a couple of different settings for people all kind of all over the place and stuff. So let's say that we've done our EQ and we found out this is kind of a decent. It's got a little bit of low cut. It's pulling out a hot frequency in the room, and we're doing a little high shelf just for a basic setup for our vocalist. So what we're going to want to do is we want to go ahead and find the one we want to use. Hit utility. Let's say we're just going to keep the EQ, so let's go and just get rid of everything and say we're going to keep the EQ instead. Let's roll down to an empty slot, say save preset. Let's call it vocal. Vocal, we'll just call it vocal 1 for right now so we keep everything straight. Vocal 1, hit save there on that encoder. Alright, so we go into another channel that maybe doesn't have a similar setup, has maybe no EQ. We should be able to hit our utility button, see vocal EQ, that's loaded up right there. Hit load preset, hit OK, and now that vocal EQ has been copied and pasted over there. Go to let's see, another vocalist here. You got Wayne. He doesn't have the EQ set up like the other fella does. So you just go to utility, load preset, hit OK. I'm sorry, guys. Load preset, OK, and there you go. He has it too. Maybe we did set up with somebody and it just wasn't working out. We tried to dial it in. It's just a mess. Same thing. And there, load it. OK, boom. So that's a quick way to kind of get, and you can do this now with just about everything. Your head amp, you got your configuration, your gates, your compressors, EQs, even your sends where things are going. You can copy and paste any of those portions that you want. All of them or just a few of them. It's up to you. So cool little feature. I wish there was an undo button. That would be making me really happy to have like a Control Z or an Apple Z on this thing. So if you did something, you could like rewind like a minute or 2 minutes or a couple functions back and reset that, and or even just zero some stuff out. But maybe that's something they can come up with. So anyway, that's some little your utility shortcuts, copy and paste there, and you can do that with most of all your channels. So just experiment with it and see how that helps. All right, guys, take care. Hey guys, a footnote to this copying and pasting. It will actually copy all of the items here on the left hand side. When you go to load, that's when you need to go ahead and say, well, I don't want to copy the names and copy the gate and compressor and all that. I just want to copy over the equalizer only. Then hit load preset and OK, and then it won't change the names of everybody or change anything else except what you designate. But each file has all of this in it. So it's not like you pick what you want to save. It records it all. You pick what you want to load. Just want to clarify that with you guys, and that should help. Okay, and you guys know also you can go to channels and you can copy and paste channels over and things like that, and bus sends and effect sends. So you can do that right with your utilities. When you go into your select, you still hit utilities. It's the same thing. You just copy stuff right on over. So play around with that a little bit, and if you got any questions or comments, hit me up. Thanks. Okay, so I had someone actually write me on one of the other videos there how to cut and copy the channels over. So this is real simple. Here, look, I got bus 13, it says ambiance there. I have that lit up. Go ahead and hit copy. Then move over to I'm going to move to this blacked out channel right there. Select that one. I'm going to hit paste. Say OK, and it copies over. Pulls everything over with it. Same with the channels over here. If I take the Roland here on channel 28, select that, your home screen stays the same, so that's easy to toggle through. Hit copy, picked an open channel, hit select, gonna hit paste, hit OK, and there you go. Even the fader went like this, and it slid right on up to match that right there. So that's how you copy and paste whole entire channels. So That should cover, I think, close to everything on copying and pasting. Settings, channels, buses should get you little shortcuts there. You know, once you get a couple things set up, you just start copying and pasting right on down the way so you don't have to reset every single parameter. Okay, I'll leave you alone now. Get any more questions, let me know. Thanks, Josh. Bye.